Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your voice sound muffled in CapCut PC. I'm going to first record my voice first. I said first twice. Anyways, go to record. Select your input device. I'm using this microphone. Select the red button to start recording. 3, 2, 1. This is my voice before and after it's muffled or whatever. Okay, I'm going to play for you first what it sounds like. My voice before and after it's muffled or whatever. Select the audio here, go to speed and make it the 10x speed. Right click on it, select create compound clip. Then you're going to times it to 0.1 and this is the final result. My voice before and after it's muffled or whatever. And that is it. It is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!